Modes of calculation in chromatographic technique. In this session, you will learn what are the different techniques used for calculation in pharmaceutical analysis, what are their advantages, what are their disadvantages, which one is the best technique, and why. Namaste and welcome to Pharma Knowledge Forum. I am Pramod Kumar Pandey. I provide a skill-based lecture on pharma analytical techniques such as analytical method development, analytical method validation, impurity control strategy, genotoxicity, chiral separation. The fee for such lecture is much lesser than your expectation. Only thing is that you have to subscribe the channel and like the video. Of calculation, the following techniques are used for calculation in chromatographic analysis: area normalization method or area percent method, external standard method, internal standard method, area normalization method. In this method, percentage content of an individual component is calculated by dividing the area of an individual component by the total area. This method assumes that all peaks are eluted and all components have the same response, which is never true, and hence it is not a good method. This method is mostly used in HPLC analysis using UV detector. Following formula is used for calculating an impurity I. Percentage of impurity I is equal to area response of impurity I divided by total area response into 100. External standard method. In this method, area response of the peak of interest is compared relative to area response of a standard compound to calculate the percentage of impurity in the sample. The concentration of both the sample and the standards are used in the calculation. Percentage of impurity is equal to area of impurity in sample solution divided by area response of impurity in standard solution into dilution factor of standard solution divided by dilution factor of sample solution into 100 into potency. Internal standard method. In this method, the same weight of compound called internal standard is added in the sample solution and in the standard solution to calculate the impurity in the sample. The internal standard must fulfill the following requirements. Internal standard must result from the other peaks. Internal standard must be inert concerning solute and solvent. Following formula is used for calculating the impurity in the sample. Percentage of impurity I is equal to area response of impurity I in the sample divided by area response of internal standard divided by area response of standard divided by area response of internal standard into dilution factor of standard solution divided by dilution factor of sample solution into 100. If required, potency can be used in the calculation. This is all about this lecture. Thank you for attending this session.